Guys, are we really halfway through the year? Like, where did those 6 months go? And it's already June. So, before I blink and it's December, I'm spending today resetting my life, planning, reflecting, and setting goals, and trying to get my life back together. So, let's see how much we can change before the year ends. Welcome to my mid year reset vlog. Ready, and let me tell you what all I'm gonna be doing in this mid-year reset vlog. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I have made a checklist for myself and to share it with you guys of what I will be doing in this mid-year reset. सबसे पहले मैंने लिखा है get ready for the day, which I am. Worn this powder blue top, perfect for this season. Mid-year reset vlog, which I've started. Now, the thing which I have done is reflect on past. By that I mean in the starting of the year मैंने कुछ goals set करे थे अपने लिए जो मुझे करने थे. तो firstly, obviously I don't remember all of it. I do remember a few of it. By reflection I mean I need to see कि मैंने क्या करा क्या नहीं करा और अगर मुझे कुछ change करना है for the upcoming 6 months. So that is what I mean reflect on past. Then we will be writing a letter for my December self. Write a letter to myself imagining how I look in December or what all I have achieved in December. That is what you're gonna do. Then we'll set goals for the next 6 months. In case अगर मुझे कोई goals change करने हैं जो कि अब I don't think are relevant enough in my life, so I'll change those or remove them from my goals list and make new ones according to what suits me the best now. Then study plan. Oh my god, study plan. जैसा कि आपको पता है my summer vacations have just started and I want to make a good study plan. I need to see कि मैंने क्या कर लिया है, क्या मुझे करना है, and all of that. I need to figure out what I need to study, when I need to study, and all of that. I think that comes under the 6-month bar, you know what I mean? And then oh my god, I have to clean my makeup brushes, guys. पता नहीं मैंने last कभी करी थी और बहुत ज़्यादा ही pending काम है मेरा, तो ये मुझे करना है इसी में. Journaling, oh my god, yes, I will be filling up my manifestation journal and I've written /feelings also. I don't know how to do that journaling, but I think I will try it. I will try to do it today. So yeah, let's see where it goes. That is my to-do list of this mid-year reset. I am super excited. I'm doing it for the first time, I believe. Or I've done one before. मुझे खुद का YouTube channel देखना पड़ेगा. न्यू ईयर रीसेट करा है मैंने, नवंबर रीसेट, संडे रीसेट, नहीं, ओके. This is going to be my first mid-year reset and I'm quite excited about it. Let's see how effective it is and we will see ourselves in December then. So सबसे पहले मैं किससे शुरू करूँगी तो मुझे भी नहीं पता, but let's get started. Hi guys, apparently it's the next day. I just got busy with some stuff. Anyways, so I am starting off with my study study planning is what I call it. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna basically see that where do I actually stand और मुझे क्या आता है और मुझे क्या नहीं आता है और क्या मुझे करना है और मुझे कितने टाइम में वो करना है. I need to do all of this because it is giving me a lot of tension here. मुझे डर लगता है अगर आपको पता ही नहीं होता कि आपने करा क्या है. डर तो नहीं मैं कहूँगी, बट स्टिल यू डोंट फील दैट कॉन्फिडेंट. तो इसलिए मैं एक बार ये सब फिगर आउट करना चाहती हूँ. देन आई वांट टू अकॉर्डिंगली स्टडी, आई वांट टू अकॉर्डिंगली डू थिंग्स वंस आई नो कि वेयर आई एक्चुअली स्टैंड, राइट. तो इसलिए अभी मैं ये करने लगी. आई एम गोना सी every subject and see what I've done completely and what needs more attention. Really wanted to start with this क्योंकि मैं इसको इतने दिनों से procrastinate कर रही हूँ क्योंकि oh my god, it's a big burden on my brain. So I really need to get this figured out at first. So let's get started with this. First I'm taking out all my books from this drawer and then I'm going to sit and figure out what needs to be done. intense planning has been done here. And oh my god, guys, I feel so better. एक minute. So confident. एक तो मैं हमेशा सरप्राइज हो जाती हूँ कि मुझे लगता है कि मैंने कुछ नहीं किया होता, और फिर जब मैं बुक खोल के देखती हूँ तो मेरे को पता चलता है कि मैंने किया हुआ है. एंड आई फील दैट्स द बेस्ट फीलिंग. मैं एकदम बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हो जाती हूँ. बट अभी भी बहुत सारा काम है करने को. इफ़ वी कैलकुलेट 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 चैप्टर्स तो करने ही करने. मैंने इंग्लिश को इंक्लूड भी नहीं करा है. 12 चैप्टर्स तो हैं ही जो मुझे इस 1 मंथ में करने हैं, और उसके अलावा में एक दो और एक्स्ट्रा हैं ही मैंने डाले हैं अपनी तरफ से. सो वो भी हैं. अभी तो मेरे को ज़्यादा बिल्कुल नहीं लग रहा है, क्योंकि जो मेरे को दिखा है थ्रू वाइल डूइंग दिस इवैल्यूएशन, उससे मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ. क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा था मैंने कुछ नहीं करा, बट मैंने कुछ करा हुआ है. सो आई फील कॉन्फिडेंट ऑन दैट, और आई हैव अ क्लियरर विजन कि मुझे क्या करना है, कैसे करना है और कब करना है. इससे पहले क्योंकि मुझे पता ही नहीं था मैंने कितना करा हुआ है, कितना आ रहा है, कितना मिस हो गया या वो सब. अब मैंने एक पूरी लिस्ट बना लिया ना. फील सो बेटर, क्योंकि मैंने सब थोड़ा डिवाइड कर दिया है. इतना ज़्यादा एकदम से देखने में नहीं लग रहा है कि ओ माय गॉड सीधा 12 चैप्टर्स करने है ना. मेरे को टेंशन नहीं रहेगी चाहे मैं पढ़ूँ ना पढ़ूँ, पर मतलब ऑब्वियसली मैं पढ़ूँगी. अगर आप भी एक स्टूडेंट हो, सो आई थिंक इट्स मच रिकमेंडेड दैट यू डू दिस. यू मेक अ लिस्ट of what you have done, what you need to do, what has been missed, and then you now study accordingly. इससे पहले मैं पढ़ रही थी, but I don't think that was worth it. But now it is gonna be worth it. Now let's see what we are gonna do next. First thing is done and I'm super happy and I feel so confident, so good. Now let's jump on to the next thing. So guys, the next thing that we are doing in this mid-year reset is to reflect. Right here I have my 2 journals. Here I write everything, do everything, and this is my 2026 planner. So I think I wrote my goals in here. I wrote it with you guys in the New Year's reset, if I am not wrong. Go through these goals and see if I am on the right path, or do I need to change anything from this. So I think that I am on the right path with my goals written in this, and I don't feel like changing anything in this. Now I will be making my upcoming 6 months goals right here of what all I want to do with the upcoming. Written my mid-year reset. It is see what all we are done with. So basically 3 more things are left in this mid-year reset. Let's see if I'm able to do it today itself or it takes 1 more day, because I am going outside abhi. So far this mid-year reset has been going well. Already I feel such a clearer mind. I feel so better. So guys, now I am back. I went somewhere outside and thus the outfit change. Now I am starting off with writing a letter to my December self. Guys, I've simply taken out a page from my register and मुझे उसे side से काट दिया है. Now I am gonna write a letter in the present tense as if I already have something. So yeah, let's get started. My letter is ready. Here it is, and I can already not wait to open it in the month of December. Thinking how to make an envelope for this, because I'll make an envelope for this and then I'll put it in my this journal. Yeah, I'm super happy about this. I'm super happy about doing this. Guys, I just made an envelope for this letter. Oh my god. envelope डाल दिया. मैंने सब इसे बंद कर दूंगी. थोड़ा edges ready. I think I'm gonna go with this. Let's seal it. Oh my god, that's wow. Letter. Guys, that's how it looks. Thoda imperfect hai, but I really don't mind it. I think I should stick it right besides my mid-year reset. Here goes. Guys, that's how it looks like, and let's wait for this date now. Guys, now we are almost done. There's only one thing left, and that is to clean my makeup brushes, and that is very important. And now I'm thinking to add a last minute touch or a step to my mid-year reset, which is to do a little bit of a closet clean out. I am now stepping into the next half of the year and मुझे लगता है कि मुझे अपना closet clean out ज़रूर से कर लेना चाहिए. ऐसे बहुत सारे tops हैं जो मैं नहीं पहनती हूँ. Now that I am doing this reset, so I think it's a good time to clean this out. बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे ऐसा कुछ major clean out नहीं करना. बस मुझे कुछ अपना टॉप्स के सेक्शन में देखना है जो कि मुझे लगता है कि मैं निकाल सकती हूँ और किसी को दे सकती हूँ. So it's a very last minute touch. I was almost about to end this reset vlog, but I thought, wait, a very important part is still left to be done. So I thought, why not add it? And now let's get started. Let's do a quick closet clean out, not too much. Many clothes for a last minute closet clean out, this reset. Oh my god, I already feels so better. ज़्यादा तो नहीं है ये. Okay guys, I am done with my mid-year reset. मुझे पूरा एक दिन लग गया ये सारे tasks करने में, but now I have such a clearer mind for this next half of the year. I know what I have to do, I know how to do it. I just feel very good. I have refreshed of what all I had done in the start of the year, and अब मैंने उसे recheck कर लिया है, and I know that I will be going in the right direction. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I enjoyed creating it for you. So yeah, that was it for this vlog, you guys, and thank you so much for watching the video till the very end. And just like that, I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.